Hi friends, hope everyone's doing well. It's about mid-December and I'm just out on another hike. I got some lunch to cook and a few little toys to play with, some new goodies. So I'm just trying to hike up the side of this hill and get into the snow a little bit. They're forecasting snow at higher elevations today. So that's what I'm trying to get myself into here. Hang around, let's see what kind of fun we can have. Now it's snowing. All right, there we go. Got the tarp shelter up. Looking pretty good if I do say so myself. But I'm real hungry now. I haven't eaten breakfast or anything at all today. So I gotta make fire, cook my lunch. It's still snowing real hard out there. So I'm gonna go collect some firewood and see what I can do. Ready to get my fire going. I I got some tinder shavings on a couple of dry pieces of cedar. I got a little bit of kindling laid out, various sizes for when the fire starts. I got a big pile of chopped up stuff here. Got my ferro rod and striker ready. Let's see if we can get a fire going in the snow. So snowy. I have my beautiful sirloin tip venison steak and some bacon, and I'm just going to wrap this bacon around this steak. Venison's lean, so the bacon will give it a little fat, help it cook in that incredibly hot cast iron pan. Just kind of doing a wrap and tuck on the bacon. There you go. Bacon wrapped venison steak. Have some onions to go in there with it. Steak and bacon aren't cooking very evenly. Probably to no one's surprise. It's not a very temperature controlled method of cooking. So I'm just picking off kind of whatever's done and eating it. I've had some of the bacon, some of the onion. It's delicious. And I'm hungry, so it's nice having some snacks as it cooks. Get a little bit of that bacon maybe. Oh yeah. My poor tarp is sagging an awful lot. All that wet snow on it's pretty heavy. It's really dragged it down. So I'm gonna go find a stick. See if I can find one to prop it up with. Much better. Should have had that under there the whole time. Hopefully my gloves dry off. They're really wet. And they're the only pair I brought. Anyways, I think the steak's pretty well done. I hope so. Okay, the steak is done. It's ready to eat. I put the pan in the snow to cool off because it was incredibly hot. But it should be ready now. Oh yeah, that's so good. Thank you, Mr. Deer. That's tender. Turned out pretty good for a cast iron just thrown on a fire. Still a little pink in the middle. I approve. All done. That was really good. Well, friends, I think that's going to be a wrap on this adventure. I'm losing daylight pretty fast here. Got about a 5-kilometer walk out, and it's going to be totally dark in about an hour. And I still got to take down the tarp and everything else. So I'll be walking back to the truck in the dark. But thanks for watching. If you made it this far, hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you join me on the next adventure.